My name is Pamina Swainaina, and I'm the head of recruitment at Corporate Staffing Services. I want to talk about the value that we add to employers, both local, that's Kenyan employers, and foreign companies looking to do business in Kenya. Now, whenever we get a recruitment request, either by someone sending an email or through calling our office, we always feel it's important to go and meet them at their place of work and understand really what they are looking for. Because there's more that pertains to a job than a mere job description. So during this first meeting, we get to identify the goals. What kind of candidate are you looking for? What kind of skills and abilities? What kind of salary range is in the market, and what are you able to pay? We discuss even other intimate details about the job. For example, the location, what kind of personal characteristics do you expect from this individual? Then at this stage, we also get to discuss our fees, and clients have, at this point, they can also be able to ask us any question on the way we operate. So after this, we go back now to our office, and from here, we are able to start sourcing appropriate candidates from our database. Now, at any one given time, candidates are coming to our office and dropping their application. So what happens is, whenever we meet a candidate we feel is suitable for our client, we start engaging them at that level. And what we do is we take them through a preliminary interview, getting to understand who they are, why do they want to live, where they are living, ascertaining their education certificates, getting references from their previous employers. Yeah. So whenever now we come back with a job request from an employer, we're able to match what we have in the database with what the client is looking for. If all the candidates we have don't fit, or if we feel we need to widen the pool, then we advertise at our own cost. And this one is through our website and other leading job sites. So this service is at not charge. However, if the client feels that they need to advertise, say in the national newspapers, then there's an extra charge which is met by the client. After advertising and getting enough applications, or after going through our database, we invite these candidates for an interview. For any one position, we invite from 10 to 15 candidates. And these are people who we feel meet the requirements of the employer. So any candidate we recommend for an employer always goes through our office. And then from this pool of 10 to 15 candidates, we will select the 5 best, or at a minimum for any given position, 3 candidates. Now, these are the candidates then we recommend to the employer in form of a report. And we also go a step further and do reference checks to ensure that the information we've gotten from the candidate suits whatever is in the CV. So after this, the client then is able to do their own interview, which if they need our help, we can also provide. So one of our officers can be in their panel. Yeah. So it's a very simple process. For us, we work one-on-one, and at any one time, we keep you updated as a client. So when you identify a candidate, then we help you with the salary negotiation. And if you don't have a HR department, we can also help you in coming up with comprehensive appointment letters and employment contract, and actually being able to advise you on the employment law. So in short, we look at assisting you from beginning up to the end, up to the time you feel that you have a competent person in place. Beyond that, for every recruitment, we give you 3 months guarantee, in the sense that if the relationship doesn't work for any given reason, we are willing to recruit afresh, to replace an employee at no cost. Yeah. So what that ensures is that within those 3 months, we will be constant touch with you and the candidate, just to know whether there's a misunderstanding and how we can be able to come in and help. So for any recruitment exercise, you always have an account manager assigned to you, and in case of any problem or challenge, then you can be able to contact us. So have a look at our website. You'll be able to see some of the clients that you've dealt with, whether it's in the hospitality, FMCG, non-governmental organization, to small startups, even international firms, all these we've been able to help them source for the right staff. So in terms of position, we've also been able to do from entry-level position up to the director level. So if you have any recruitment request, we believe we can be able to help you. So don't hesitate, arrange for a meeting, and let's see the difference that you can be able to make in your organization.